Key Security Systems presents a tech support video. How to change the battery in a PowerMax small door contact. The MCT-320. You will need one CR2 battery per device and a small flathead screwdriver. Insert the small flathead screwdriver into the small notch on the side of the sensor. Gently twist the screwdriver to pop the sensor off the mount. After removing the sensor from the mount, you may receive a tamper alert from your alarm. You can unplug the telephone lead before you start. This will stop the system from calling anybody. Once you have completed the battery change, wait 5 minutes before plugging the telephone lead back in to ensure it has finished the calling cycle. Alternatively, if you do receive a phone call from the system, answer the call and press the number 2 on your phone's keypad to stop it calling the next number. Simply pull the old battery out from the clips. Then you can insert a new battery, positioning the positive and negative ends of the battery properly during replacement. Align the tabs on the sides of the sensor with the mount and gently push the sensor back onto the mount until it clicks into place. Check the panel to make sure the amber trouble light has gone off. To learn more about the PowerMaster security system and other Visonic devices, please visit www.keysecurity-systemsltd.com.